We are continuing our coverage of the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, and John Jenko joins us live from Unicoi County, where health tents have been set up. John, what can you tell us about these tents?
Kelly, well, obviously the situation here in Unicoi County has been dire throughout this last week. This is a very encouraging sign to see here. This is the mobile medical response unit behind me, and you can see a couple of tents just over my shoulder here. Now, we're told by officials about 4 to 5 people have been through this morning, getting treatment for some minor injuries, things like that, while they were responding to the flood. And I think this is a very important thing that we should get the word out about. If you're in Unicoi County, or if you know people in Unicoi County, this is something very important, a very important resource here for people in the county to get medical care, and quickly. Now, and that's without having to drive up to Johnson City or Elizabethton and finding a spot at a hospital there. Now, these emergency workers working here, coming all the way from Jackson, Tennessee, in collaboration with Ballad Health, staffing this facility behind me, and it's incredible to see the collaboration that is happening here behind me. Now, it is state-of-the-art inside. It's like a hospital, basically, with tent flaps for walls, stocked with everything you would need for basic medical response. We're told the staff here can accommodate everything from first aid to treating respiratory and skin infections. Tdap vaccines are also available for anyone exposed to floodwaters or working on the cleanup in the impacted areas. They've seen mostly cuts and bruises so far from people helping cleaning up flood damage out there. And now this is a temporary fix, of course, to the medical gap in the county with all that damage we've seen throughout the week to the Unicoi County Hospital. But the hospital's administrator says it sends an important message to the community. We're still here to help.
It's important for the community to see us still here, still invested in this community. A lot of the local people recognize our provider and nurses' faces. So to keep this team here together for now, and to be able to still be that first response and have the expertise of ED medical doctors, ED nurses, it makes a difference.
Now, right now, there are those 2 tents up, but they do have 4 more ready, and they can be put up in an instant. They're inflatable, actually, if the need is there. They can hold up to 100 patients. Right now, they've seen about 20 in the last night. We have seen signage all around in English and Spanish to accommodate the Hispanic population in Unicoi County. We're told they have interpretation services available as well to get everybody taken care of. Now, this is a 24/7 facility. The Jackson, Tennessee emergency workers tell me they will be here as long as they are needed. And again, just want to remind you, talk to your friends in Unicoi County, or if you're in Unicoi County, to take advantage of this facility here. It will help you with the medical gap that obviously exists here in the county. And again, it's located right here in the parking lot of Unicoi County High School. Live in Unicoi County, I'm John Jenko, News Channel 11.